Hello friends! Today we'll show you how to make butter slime. All you'll need is soft clay and softener. Pour a few drops of softener in a handful of clay and mix with your hands. You can add 1 or 2 drops of some color at this point. Just don't add too much because it may make your slime a bit rubbery. I'm going to add a few more drops of softener to give the slime the buttery texture. Your slime will be so soft and smooth, your spatula will melt right through it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.